Okay.
Let's have
What's up? Welcome to our house for the next couple days.
We just landed in Palm Springs and we rented this super nice Airbnb. It's so cute. So we're gonna do a little house tour.
Come on, we're gonna do like MTV Cribs. Let me show you my crib. Come walk with me.
I love the design. It's like a little courtyard with the outdoor seating area. So cute.
Oh, look it.
Welcome to our crib. So this is what you see once you walk in. Pool table.
I want to show that me and Papa's room.
Nice couch, nice decor.
I'm gonna show them the house and then
Oh yeah,
we'll
we'll go this way first. So this is like a little.
This is me and Papa.
Wait, am I recording? Okay, I'm recording.
check the ambiance.
Espresso machine. So it's 3 bedrooms.
Come in here.
Wait, let's start in our room.
Alright, come
Let's
on.
start. Okay, so this is me and Jossie's room.
Hey, you know in cribs they always do this one.
Stop. That looks like air. I like firm bed, so.
You know what I'm gonna do?
No good thing.
I'm gonna do it in slow motion.
Slow mo.
I'm gonna edit it in slow motion.
Okay. Nice little closet.
So Mom, how about sleeping? You guys first, Papa, Gram, and then Sissy.
Okay,
Oh, you
that
gonna
sounds
be bed
good.
hopper?
Nice
Good bed hopper.
bathroom.
So I sleep with you guys first.
Okay.
Oh, and we got
Toilet. I think this is to the outside, but we're not going to do the outside reveal just yet.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the master,
Oh,
and I think you have access to the bathroom, the backyard.
There's a closet right there.
Oh, cute little garbage. All right, Zozo, you gonna show us the rest of the house?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna record you. Okay. This is Papa's room.
Me and Papa.
Say hi, Dad.
Hi. I love it.
Cute, and it has a Jack and Jill bathroom.
Look at Sissy and Gram.
Jack and Jill shower. Oh, there's Lily. Oh, she's unpacking all her stuff.
What's up, Lil? Say what's up to the people.
What's up?
Oh, she's unpacking. Oh yeah, she's moving in. Look at that. Here's a little mirror.
Say hello. Say hello,
Oh.
world.
Hello, world. Okay, so we just went into the second bedroom, but how cute is this little nook area?
Let's go into the garage.
Yeah. No,
Let's
wait.
go to the garage.
Oh wait, the garage. You'll see.
It's a gaming
Wait, this is another little bathroom here too. So plenty of bathrooms.
Hey, come on, Lil.
All right.
It's a gaming room. I love it.
Washer dryer. This is the garage, and they turned it into a game room.
I'm gonna get you.
Ooh.
Oh.
Look, they have Mortal Kombat, Palm,
You got a soccer game?
Street Fighter. They got foosball, little sitting area. Oh, we're definitely gonna be playing on live tonight. We're gonna play all the games on live.
Look at that Jenga.
Foosball, Connect 4.
Look at this big Jenga.
Giant
oh,
Jenga.
That's gonna be dope.
Yeah, this cool.
Oh, they got a guitar.
Jossie's gonna play guitar for us. Yeah. I can't. Okay. Is that a Pokemon character? That's a Pokemon character.
We in Palm Springs, getting our trees, 8 rings, Sky Squad, please, Sky Squad.
Okay. All right. We're gonna continue this house tour. All right.
This room.
Okay. Oh no, that's another bathroom. Oh. Hey, Mom. Mom doesn't want to be in it. Okay, look at the. I know.
I forgot what
Here's the family room. I love these couches too.
And now it's time for the outside.
Oh wait, the kitchen. Kitchen is
They don't
super
care
cute.
about the kitchen, they wanna see that
Oh, show shopping.
Wait, I
Cute little
wanna
Freda.
go swimming.
Yep, we're all stocked
I
up.
wanna go swimming.
Okay, we
everybody
are.
go swimming. You gotta show them. You gotta show them
Another mirror. All right. Now this is what sold me when I booked this. Ready? Little hammock. I think they just cleaned the house.
Yeah, we'll hook that up.
Look.
Can I do the water?
Go ahead.
Nice pool. Nice little fire pit.
Fire pit.
They got a grill.
Fire pit.
Oh, sorry, Zozo. Oh, this is so cool. Hey, I want one of these.
Yeah. We'll have to look into something like this.
I wonder how much this would cost. I want one of
The
these
water.
in our house because this.
I want
this
one
is
of these
tight.
more than a pool.
Yeah, this is just dope.
This and a hot tub is all I need.
Swimming
Yeah, we got
pool.
swimming
How cold
pool.
is it? Oh, it feels good. It's not that hot. It's like 80, high 80s. Hot tub.
Hot tub cold.
The hot tub's cold?
Yeah.
Oh, they said that they can heat it up.
Okay. Oh, we got bikes.
We got
Oh, we
bikes.
got bikes. They
They got kid. It's very kid friendly.
Take the hot tub.
Oh, that's okay. We could clean them. But super nice. Oh, okay, so that's our room in there, right? That's the master.
Yeah, it's master.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's a flat tire.
Flat. I gotta get it.
Zozo, maybe you can learn how to ride a bike this trip.
Oh, we got water guns out here.
Why did the little bike
They have a shower.
the pedals?
You know how to pedal.
I stepped on the pedals and glided. Papa.
They have some chairs.
You didn't bring like some
Like friend, right?
Friends, this is dope.
And some friends, yeah.
For me.
This is hella cool. Yeah. So that's a tour. We're gonna get some more content, but that's the house tour. Do you want to say anything else? They want to get in the pool. It's time, huh?
Tune into our lives.
Yeah, we're gonna do a whole bunch of lives, get a whole bunch of content. But
This is going to be the long video.
all right,
Yep.
that's it. Peace. Okay, now I am. What's up, Scott Squad?
We're back. We already filmed, remember?
Oh,
So-
we already filmed, so yes, we are back. All right, who's gonna jump in first?
I think
You're on
it's
film.
Mimi. I'm gonna jump in.
Lily's scared.
That's bugs.
I already got him out.
No,
Daddy's still getting them.
It's not deep, honey.
Oh yeah, see, that's cool. That's where I'm gonna be chilling.
Oh,
How does it feel?
I don't want to wear my sandals.
Cold? Is the water cold?
It feels good, huh?
Wait, is this short?
You jump.
Is it short?
It's shallow, yeah.
Two.
Let's see you swim, mermaid. You're the good swimmer here.
Don't jump there. Don't jump there. There's a
Oh yeah, you see how far out?
there. You gotta
There.
go all the way.
And then see how deep this is. Can you touch? Can you touch the floor there?
Wait, it's actually really good.
Feels good. I want to get in.
Okay.
How does it feel, Zozo? It's too cool.
I told you. All right, that's fine.
Yeah. All right, nighttime reveal. Such a vibe. Look at the fire pit. And the lights and the pool.
Don't go by the fire.
We did get. All right. Today was fun. Today's day one of Palm Springs. And we were chilling. We went swimming. We were on live. How long were we on live for? Yeah, our goal today was to get 2K subs, and we surpassed that.
That's a rifle creek.
What do you want to say to the vlog?
What's up?
What's up,
Oh,
vlog?
here's all we have.
Tell the vlog who the best family channel is.
Oh yeah, who's the
Tell-
best
tell-
family?
We are the best family.
And who are we?
Scott
Squad.
Squad. Zozo, say it. Zozo says it.
And we hit me.
Who are we?
What's up, Scott Squad?
What's up, Scott
And
Squad?
we also have matching PJs.
Oh, PJs. It is, what is this? Valentine's
Valentine's, yeah.
PJs, but
It's
all
really
good.
comfy. We haven't
We're on
opened
spring break. Spring break. Spring breakers.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes of our YouTube short.
So yeah.
So yeah. Where are we gonna do it at?
Right here.
Right here. You see if I stand up, my head is like too much better.
Oh, this is actually really cool. This is dope.
You see me?
Yeah.
Let me see.
What do we? Yeah, I can see you guys.
Let's see how long this is.
What do we think about this, chat? Oh, we're not on live, so what do we think about this? Put it in the comments. How do we feel about this content?
Oh, I love that.
We love it. We love it. Okay.
Oh, I really love that.
All right. Yep. I'm at 7%. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and.
Like 10 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, show the live something. Okay, you and the family of 4 too? That's what's up, that's what's up, that's what's up. Uh-oh.
I'm filming you.
You filming me, I'm filming you, filming me.
I'm filming you.
I'm filming you, filming me. We on
But
live
I can't.
right now.
I can't even see the screen.
Oh, don't get my ashy kneecaps in here though. Okay.
It doesn't look that bad.
I'm showing them things.
Okay. I'm filming you. Go ahead.
On live? Okay, you on live.
Oh. She's such a
In
good swimmer.
Philippines. You from the Philippines? Apple and Sega?
My parents are from the Philippines.
Oh, yeah, they from the Philippines. My mother-in-law just asked me if we had anybody here from the Philippines.
Oh,
I'm
nice.
letting know right now somebody here from the Philippines.
What do you want us to do on the camera? Say cheese. Cheese.
You got somebody from the Philippines. You asked them what part? You asked them what part something?
Yes, I did. Ooh, it is hot.
Can I see?
I'm still recording. It's hot, hot, hot right now. Oh, are you recording?
Yeah. We are in downtown Palm Springs.
Yes, as a palm tree. Hats. We got.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
Shout out Bob Ross.
How cute. We are at a restaurant called Wilma and Freda in downtown Palm Springs. Cute. It's a cute little indoor-outdoor. Say hi. It's a balcony. Alright, let's look at the menu and see what we're gonna order. I know. How cute are you? Alright, let's see. Wilma and Freda, they have house specialties. Short rib eggs Benedict. They have steak and eggs with filet mignon. They have biscuits and gravy. They have churro waffles. They got a whole bunch. Looks so good. I got the churro waffle. Jossie got biscuits and gravy with
And I got the pancakes.
scrambled eggs. Lily and Zoe got pancakes. Mom got veggie omelet. And Dad also got biscuit and gravy with over easy eggs.
Over easy.
And
Yummy. And you got also orange juice. Oh, hot sauce, yes.
And some butter
For him. Okay, thank you. Getting
this and this.
no one thing only.
Yeah.
This color
This
is
one's cute, Zozo. But she wants it.
I'll get you.
$12 for that little thing. Cut it out. All right, we're going back now, right? You guys got what you wanted? Come on.
Pool girl.
Okay.
Come on. Show me how.
What's up, Scott Squad?
Show them how you clean that pool. If you guys are looking for a pool girl, hire Zoe. Zoe, how much do you charge to clean pools?
How much does it cost?
How much would it cost them to get Zoe to come clean their pool?
It could just be $1.
$1? $1? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna be your manager, okay? I'll take care of the money and the logistics of everything. We're gonna make you more than $1, girl. Look at that. She'll get all your bugs out, ain't that right, Zoe? What's up, mother?
Hello. Putting on sunscreen.
Crust daddies, crust toes. Which one am I gonna get again?
Daddy, look at this one.
Let me see.
This bug.
Ooh, that's a beetle. Ooh. Good job.